no addition. When Congress comes back after this Easter break, I'm going to begin meeting with Democrats, Republicans about this plan. I've spoken to Republicans on the phone. I'm going to be looking forward to meeting with them. They all have their ideas about what it will take, what they like and what they don't like. That's a good thing. That's the American way. Debate is welcome. Compromise is inevitable. Changes in my plan are certain. But inaction is not an option. The American people have been promised action and infrastructure for decades. They've been promised that after our leaders would take our country and make it more competitive for decades. I've made my plan to address this long overdue need, and it's clear. Polls already show strong support for infrastructure investment from the American people, whether they're Democrats, Republicans, or independents. Congress should debate my plan, change it, and offer alternatives if they think that's what they have to do. But Congress should act. Likewise, on the virus, our program there too can be undone. As fast as we're moving, more adults remain to be vaccinated in April, May, and June than have already been vaccinated in February and March. We are not even halfway done yet. Too many Americans are acting as if this fight is over. It is not. I've told people that if my administration did the hard work of getting shots to all Americans in the next few months, and if the American people continued to do their part, mask up, practice social distancing, we could have a more normal July 4th. But this is still April, not July. We aren't there yet. And so cases are going up again. The virus is spreading more rapidly in many places. Deaths are going up in some states. So I ask, I plead with you, don't give back the progress we've all fought so hard to achieve. We need to finish this job. We need every American to buckle down and keep their guard up in this home stretch. Wear your mask. Keep safe distance from one another. Wash your hands. Get vaccinated when it's your turn. That's how we're going to beat the virus. Cast off the weight of the pandemic that's holding our economy back. Well, the earliest signs from this job report, this announcing today, are promising, and the American Rescue Plan is starting to make a real difference. Today's report also reminds us how deep a hole we started in. After a year of devastation, there are still 8.4 million fewer jobs today than there were last March. 8.4 million. We created 900,000 again, but 8.4 million jobs fewer today than last March. So too many Americans have been unemployed for longer than 6 months. Too many women have been forced out of the workforce. Unemployment among people of color remains far too high. Yes, we've made progress by starting to build an economy from the bottom up and the middle out. And yes, the American Rescue Plan is laying the foundation for that economy. But we still need the American Jobs Plan to build on that foundation, to build this country back better. So the bottom line is this. Today's report is good news. Today's report shows that the country can what it can do when we act together to fight a virus, to give working people the help they need. But we still have a long way to go. But I know that we're going to get there, and we're going to get there together. But may God bless you all, and may you have a happy Easter and a holy Easter. Thank you.